Next question is from Will on Instagram. Last question, I promise. LOL. What would you use this as a replacement to cocoa nibs, or can it be used in tandem with nibs? I have a bourbon barrel-aged imperial stout that we're planning on releasing in December, and I want it to be super chocolatey. The beer is still in barrels, planning on transferring to Brights in early December. Yeah, I mean, we kind of talked about a few things, some ways that you can push up that chocolate impression on a beer like this. Obviously, we're talking about nibs. I think nibs are a good option. I would like to, especially if you're going to be using them on the cold side like that, I would like to roast them up a little, get a nice thin layer of them if you can on some sheet pans, and get a little bake on them until they kind of open up and become more aromatic. It might help a little bit on the sanitation side of things. But also it might help to open up those cocoa nibs a little bit and get some of those flavors and aromas a little bit easier to extract into your beer. I would also say that cocoa powder can work as well. Cocoa powder is another good way to layer in chocolate flavor. And then the third thing I would suggest is a high quality TTB approved chocolate extract, because sometimes that can be one of those final little things to help lift the nose. Again, I'm a huge proponent of using the real thing and then feathering behind it with a little bit of high quality TTB approved extract. I think that's probably the best way to be stacking up those chocolate flavors, those chocolate layers in a big, rich barrel-aged imperial stout like that. I know we've been doing some barrel-aged stout blending stuff over at Sonder. The place has been smelling great. Jeff has been over there doing his thing and getting some of those beers into bottles, because I believe Sonder has a couple of sales or a couple of releases around just after Thanksgiving, so getting into Christmas season. And also tomorrow I'm going to be doing a big first runnings beer, a big double mash Imperial Otto, the Imperial Stout from Sonder. We're going to be brewing tomorrow, so I'm in early tomorrow. I'm in at 5, and it's going to be a long one. So the only reason I'm saying that is I don't know. We're going to try to bang these questions out. You know what I mean? But yes. So Will, that is what my recommendation would be on stacking up chocolate flavor in that barrel-aged Imperial Stout of yours.